Okay, so here we are on February 4th. So with the futures market, our sniper strategy, our sniper algorithm has indicated a trade to the long side. So we are now jumped into this long trade right here. And then we have our starting stop targets all set up. We got one position in. Hopefully we can recover all of this on this trade and have a green day, but we shall see. All right, so here we are. So this candle is getting ready to close here in a few minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and exit this trade when it closes. Normally the way this strategy works is that we get our entry and we get our stop. We move our stop once we're 75% of the way, or click 75%. And then a close above this 1R area is where we sell the position on a close. But it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I want to go to bed. So I could wake up, on the next potential close here at 5 in the morning and see where it's at and put an alert on my phone and have it text me and all that stuff. But I'm just gonna dump it and then jump out. Also, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. That's a lot. So I think what I'm gonna do is pop out of here. This may close still above. We'll see what happens. Usually you have these little wicks that show up, or tails, whatever you want to call them, shadows. So chances are we won't get back up above this. We'll come down and create a shadow like everywhere else here before it closes. So, but what I think I might do is do that and then switch over to the 1 minute chart and trade red line, because we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 candles. There's a good possibility we'll have a retracement of some kind. So that red line may indicate that retracement on the 1 minute. So I might be able to jump into a 1 minute play over there and make a little extra money and then call it a night. So that's the plan right now. We'll see what happens in about 7 minutes. All right, so we're into the 1R area. So I'm going to go ahead and flatten this trade and jump out. So 57 on the day, but the open position started yesterday. That's why we had 121 there. The reason why I flattened it and jumped out is because, like I said, it likes to make these shadows, tails, wicks, whatever you call it. Occasionally you'll get a candle that's just solid like that one, but it likes to do this. It only has 5 minutes left, so chances are it's going to make one here shortly, and then that means I'll have reduced profit, and I want to be out before, at 1 o'clock I'd want to be out anyway. So I'm out of that. So there we go. So there's that trade. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the log, and then we can see what that looks like. Okay, so here we are with the log. So I put it in on the 5th, even though I entered this trade on the 4th. I entered on the 4th, and then the session closed and then reopened at 6 p.m. And then we didn't get out till now. So I always put these. I try to put these in when I exit the trade, because I technically made the money on this day. So that's why I did that. So there we go. So that's in the log. Roughly 24 was my risk reward, and or risk. Well, the risk changes as the trade happens with Sniper, but that was my plan reward. So 23.75. We almost got there. We just got out. I think it, we didn't quite get out because of the spread and maybe even a little pullback on the exit there. So $113 is what that's going to do for us. So let's go over to dashboard and check it out. So if this, we'll see what my day trades do today. Maybe we'll get another swing trade or two in and see what we can do for the 5th here. But then over here on the futures log, we've now reduced that down to only being down $96. So slowly growing this back, which is pretty sweet. So we're going to get there sooner than later, hopefully, and be green, maybe even by tomorrow. And yep, all right, everybody, have an awesome night.